Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. As you can see, you're on the POV cam right now. Say what's good, Butters. Paul? Good girl. Speak. Speak. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over all the way. That's halfway. Roll over. Play dead. Okay, good girl. In today's video, I'll be taking you guys along for a sneaker buyout that I'm about to do. Anyways, we're gonna head out. Now, I know this person. He actually hit me up asking to sell his sneakers, and I was like, bro, you got some good stuff. Let's go ahead and make a deal. So he's about to pull up in a little bit. I asked him if it's cool if I film and all that, so he's cool being on camera as long as his face isn't in it. I'm gonna do my best to keep the camera pointed down, but I also wanted to show you guys how we do our business and show you guys what I'm buying for, what I'm selling for, and all that good stuff. So I hope y'all are ready. Let's get it and let's go. Just a quick tip for everybody: if you plan on doing a meetup, I would highly recommend bringing a friend with you. Even though if you know the person or whatever, it might not be that person necessarily that gives you problems, but there's other people around because we're in a shopping center right now. So you guys could probably see there's people around right here. There's people around. So what you got to do is just scope out the area. Be very aware of your surroundings because we're out here in public, guys. So there could be people that are watching us. It's pretty easy to tell what we're doing. We're going to be moving sneakers from one car to another. So you got to be careful. Be aware of your surroundings and bring a friend. Just in case some stuff goes down, you have somebody there with you. So that is my pro tip of the day. But yeah, we're just waiting for him right now, keeping aware of our surroundings, and then we're gonna get the deal started. Just real quick, in case you guys are wondering how I do my prices, whenever I buy a dead stock pair of shoes, I like to pay around stock X sale price. This is after they take out the fees and everything like that. So all of these prices were already sent to my boy ahead of time, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit of info before we started these deals. And I typically try to sell the shoe for whatever the market price is or whatever the last sale was. And as far as used shoes go, I like to have a $50 to $60 margin just to give me enough wiggle room in case I need to lower the price in the future if the shoe is not selling. And I also have to account for extra fees on my website and things like that. So that's how I come up with those numbers. So let's get right into it. What's up, bro?
Hello.
Long time no see.
How's life, man?
Good, good. How's everything?
Good,
New truck?
Yeah, I got it this year.
Bro, I like the color of it.
Yeah, it's different. That's why I like it. A lot of people don't like it, but I'm like, you know what? Gotta be different.
Thanks for hitting me up, by the way.
Yeah, I was like, you know what? I was looking through my stuff and I was like, I don't wear this stuff. I still got a bunch of stuff that's just sitting there, but I don't know if you do Supreme at all, but
Yeah, I'll just take a look at whatever you got.
literally this jacket that I bought when it came out.
Yeah, dude, like Supreme has been weird lately.
I bought it. I could probably look up the confirmation thing from.
Yeah, I gotta see what these are going for, because
Yeah, they're all over the place. But yeah. But I mean, you don't need to. You can look it up and let me know.
Yeah, for sure.
No rush. Just,
this is the only extra piece, right?
that's the only piece. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. For now, I'll place this in here just so it doesn't get dirty. But we'll take a look at everything. Let's see. Got some patent breads. You hit most of these for retail?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
All of them. But I mean, over the years, yeah. If it's not me, somewhere my brother hit and then he just passed them down.
So you're getting out of the shoe game?
No, I still got a good amount. It's just I don't wear this. Like,
Yeah, I got you.
like you said, the market's all over the place. And you know what?
Keep those Travises though.
Yeah, yeah. And I bought those, but I paid a lot more for them when they were up there. You know what I mean?
I ended up getting a pair for like, I think it was $1,000, but it was a couple weeks after they released, and then I ended up selling them. Turbos. Yeah, you keep your shoes in hella good condition, bro.
Yeah. I wore those just once, and that's it. This is the color I.
Beautiful. And these ones, I saw they're a little dirty.
Those are the
right?
only ones you gotta clean or something, but I don't know how to, like, you might need a special thing for them or something, but I mean,
I might just keep these as
Leave
personals,
those. I
to
wore
be
those
honest.
twice.
Yeah.
Once for my birthday and another time, but look at the bottom.
They're still good.
Yeah, they're.
Yeah, these might just be personals, but
I was surprised on like what those are like. That's probably like, I don't know why people love that one as much, but
I like these. These are fire.
yeah, and they're 10s. Like those are good.
My size. Where are you staying at now? Are you staying around here?
In Hollister. But I
Oh,
work here,
damn.
so.
And these.
Yeah. I even took out the receipts when Nike was printing out receipts. Remember those back in the day?
Yep.
Yeah, I took them out last night because I was like, for both of them, so I have them here as you can see.
No, it's all good, bro.
You know.
You've been selling me shoes for a while, man.
Back in the day, remember?
Yep. The last one I remember was, I know we did that buyout at Target, but there was that Oreo 4 that I bought off of you. That was like at the bank on First Street.
Yeah. And I used to be in a Fresh and Easy when I was Fresh and Easy.
Oh, yep. Dude, it's like,
That was the Roshi run days.
Yes. Those were the good days.
That's my last pair right there.
I could swear I bought a pair from you.
You bought my used pair.
Okay,
that was the one
yeah.
that I never used. And I remember those, like some came with like tumble leather and some had like a little pebble leather on the toe box. So I remember like when I got them all, I was like making sure it was this leather because I wanted the smooth one. And again, look at that, they're gonna go to you now. They're just sitting there.
Hell yeah. Oh wow, even the lace bag's still attached.
Dude, yeah, those things been sitting there since I got them.
Perfect. Okay, so these, let me check the Supreme. Do you know what that one's called? That
I screenshotted it actually yesterday because I was making sure, because a lot of Supreme stuff's not worth anything anymore, as you know.
Bro, even the box logos that used to go for hella money, they're not really selling like that anymore.
Yeah.
That's why stuff like this kind of scares me a little bit.
Yeah, I looked at StockX to see.
Yeah.
Supreme Expedition 2018.
Supreme X.
So like, yeah, that and put North Face, and then it should pop up.
Fall Winter 18.
Yeah, it's the one that has the contour.
Holy shit.
Yeah. No one pays for that shit here probably, but.
Bro, have you seen the prices on this?
Yeah, like a G or 800-900, like buyout, like payouts, like pretty high, but I was like, I'm not.
Dude, okay, yeah.
Retail for this was like 6 or 5, but I mean, I don't want nothing crazy, but
yeah,
if you could make something happen, like I would hook you up like a good price.
Honestly, bro, it might be better if you just sell this one on StockX.
Yeah.
Because even right now, if you sell it, you'll get $775 for it.
Yeah.
And that's more than what you paid for it.
Yeah.
But
I mean,
I know for me, it would take a while to sell this.
You just gotta get that right person. But if you want it for 5, it's yours. But think about it, I'll take it, and then we can meet up eventually, and I'll even pull up I'll look for that email from Supreme. But that was a personal one, and it was just like, I'm not
yeah,
you know. But yeah, or you can screenshot it and show people if you know anyone that might want it. Send me up or something.
yeah, for sure.
Like, yeah, it's not gonna go. I'm just gonna probably throw it back in that bag and keep it at home.
Yeah, I could post it for you, but I just wouldn't take it because.
No, I get you.
Yeah, this is just a really risky piece.
No.
But bro, like again, StockX, $775 right
does that
now.
mean someone will actually pay that right now?
Like right now, if you hit the sell button, you'll get paid that.
But
and
to
then
log into, you gotta like I don't have an account. I've never bought shit off. I just buy it either. I never pay resale unless I go to the.
Hey, if you want me to ship this for you, I could hit the sell button. It'll go to my account, and then when I get the money.
But where do they take it though? Like, I hear shit like, oh, it's folded on the tag or like.
Well, if anything, it'll just come back.
Okay.
But yeah, I would take that because there's somebody that has that offer on it already.
Okay.
So.
I mean, if you shoot me 100, I'll give you $100. Like, if you want to sell it,
I'm down for that, bro.
Yeah, I mean.
That way you get your money, and
yeah,
you know it's more than 500.
You can make $100 if you can do all that work for me.
Yeah, no, it's all good.
Yeah.
I got you.
And then yeah.
All right, sounds good. And then let me get you that Zelle. Yeah. Is it your phone number?
Yeah, it's my phone number.
Okay, I just sent it.
You want some slides for free?
Shit, I'll take them, bro. I love me some slides.
See, I mean, they're 11, but I feel like a 10 because you know these shit.
Hey, slides are, yeah, for sure.
I got a bunch of them in a while back. I was gonna give them to someone at work, but
really,
they're too small for them. These are 12. I thought it was 11.
Hell yeah, yeah, I'll use this for sure.
Take them to Hawaii, all your damn trips take.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate that.
Yeah, I got you.
I'll keep you posted on the jacket and everything because it takes a.
No, I mean,
takes a little bit of time.
Whenever you get your money, just send me. Just if it's you said it's payouts what?
I think $775.
Yeah, so just send me like 100 less. You keep 100 for yourself.
For sure.
You're cool with that?
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Yeah, yeah. How's everything else, man?
Everything's been good. Just been doing my thing, you know.
Yeah. Like you get rid of the cars, like you have no sentimental to anything, huh?
I try to not keep attachment, you know, to certain items. Even for shoes, like, bro, I sell that shit pretty quick too. And
like you said, things just come, like they keep on coming out again. It's just like
yeah.
I can't believe how, like the what is it, the Royals and like those green, the pine, whatever they're called. I had them since they came out, and I looked at the receipts. That's like 2018 or 17. I'm like, dude, that's been like 4 or 5 years, and they're just moving from place to place, and they're just sitting there. I'm like, I'm never gonna wear them, and I'm like, and probably in a year or two they're gonna come out again. You know what I mean? Like you're starting to see the cycle now, right? Yeah, now we see it like go in circles, and it's like, it's not, and everything's changed. Like I remember looking at all this stuff, market stuff, price like 6 months ago was wild, or like, yeah, and now it's like, what the hell's going on? Everything has been calming down. There's a lot of stuff that, like, even if I read threes, bro, like if that was a few years back, they would have been up there a little bit, but now it's like retail pretty much. It's crazy, but it's good for people that want the shoes. Yeah, so. And that's what it's coming down to. I'm like people that actually want them for themselves is cool, because then you go and they're like, oh, sold out, and then you get everybody reselling them, you know? Yeah, for sure. That stuff is cool. But yeah, man, hit me up, let me know. But yeah, I appreciate you coming through, man. For sure. And I do have more things, but whenever the time comes, I'll text you. Let me know. You're still doing it. It's all the same size, so. All right, bro. Thanks again. Yep. All right. Damn, trunk is getting in a little tight. All right, you guys, so just to do a quick recap, we bought 6 pairs of sneakers, and he actually gave me those slides as a gift, so I appreciate you, Kike, for that. And he also ended up giving me that Supreme jacket. He only wanted $500 for it, but I saw that on StockX it was going for $775. So we made a deal where if I sell the item through StockX with my account, since he doesn't have one, I get to keep $100, and then he still gets $675, which is more than $500, which is what he was gonna sell it to me for. I just passed on cashing him out for that, being that price on StockX is what I usually pay for newer items, and there's no way I'd be able to sell it for whatever the market is. I think the market for that jacket was $2,200 or something crazy like that. But yeah, he left me with the jacket, and then I'll pay him when I get paid out by StockX. I think that's going to be it. I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit more about the transaction and how we do all the business and all that when I get home. Okay, so we're back at home now, and it's nighttime. As y'all can see, the GoPro isn't the best at night shots. It's just not the best in low light situations, but I'm gonna try to make the best of it, all right? So to wrap up this video, we're gonna talk about the breakdown of everything. Here is the list. I'll pop it up on either side of me. I'll probably just hang out over here so then y'all can see everything on the side. That's what I paid for the shoes. As I previously mentioned, whenever I do buy a dead stock pair of shoes, I like to reference StockX. Whatever their payout price is, I pay around that price. And then I also sell the shoes for whatever the market value is, whatever the last sale was. So that's how I get my prices for that. And for used shoes, I typically like to work with a $50 to $60 margin, because I also have to pay fees on my website, taxes, and all this stuff. So that is how I come up with those prices. So the initial cost of everything was $1,400. I plan to sell everything for around $1,810. So that leaves us an estimated profit of about $410. Now we got to keep in mind that Kike threw in the Supreme jacket, which is going to be $100 in profit.
So this deal right here is going to land me about $510 after everything is sold, which is amazing. So I appreciate Kike for reaching out to me. Again, I've been buying shoes from him for a very, very long time. We go way back, like back in the Roshi days when I was still in high school. So we've known each other for a very, very long time. And on top of that, he threw in those size 11 slides, which I'll be wearing. So those were just a gift. I really do appreciate that. But that is going to wrap up this video. If you guys enjoy these kind of videos, please hit the like button for me and let me know what you like most about them in the comment section down below. Is it the prices? Is it the interaction? You guys let me know, because I don't really do these that often, but I could bring them to the channel if you guys would like to see it. Also, I don't know when these sneakers are going to be on my website, so if you guys would like to shop what I currently have on my site, the site is shopsoultopia.com. I do have plenty of sneakers on there already live, but if you guys want to keep updated with the drop, you can follow me on Instagram at SneakerHeadInTheBay. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do appreciate you guys. Make sure you stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys for the next one. I'm out. Peace.